import it from here. Click on open. Okay, you have alright, here we go. Very interesting. You can as well right click here and add folder using okay, I will add your new data property. Copy your files here. Take them to new data property. So you right click here and to save place as save as KML. The faculty is saved. So having saved that, you have to open your part. Yes, very very important. Alright, import from other programs. From Google, it shows on KML, KMZ. Click OK. So you highlight all of them. This I export data on map. The Shapefile release without abbreviation. Click on this. Shapefile. Get a support. Shapefile. Okay, we've done that. Go to our shape map. Let's start a new map, alright. Alright. Click on that. GIS and Shapefile new D. Alright. You can see your data inputted and attributes the information there. Alright, I think that's it for now. Thank you. Be sure you subscribe, never leave the button behind. Thank you.